slowly lie down on the stomach. Okay. So we are going to try to segmentally arch the back, right? Although we might be pressing the palms partially to support, but the goal is to segmentally arch the back. So legs are wider, slightly wider than the hips. Your palms are placed beside the chest. Roll the shoulders up away from the floor. Now from here, you start to inhale. As we exhale, raise your chin up by squeezing the back of your neck. Raise your chest up by engaging the upper back. Raise your lower part of the ribs. Raise your upper abdomen, middle, lower abdomen, but not the hips. And you try and engage your glutes, the full length of the spine. Shoulders expand sideways. Raise the chin. Keep the chin up. Slowly lower abdomen down, upper abdomen down, lower chest, mid chest, chin down. Please don't do this. Don't push with one go with your arms. And when you come down, don't drop your head and come down like this, right? You lose coordination. It actually is not the most, effective approach to backward bends. So one more time. Shoulders up first. So chin up. When your chin goes up, you can feel the back of the neck becoming active. Chest up. You feel the upper back muscles active. Shoulder blades together. Now lift your lower part of the ribs, which brings your mid-back muscles active. And then lift your navel. Then lift your lower abdomen. Then lift up to the groin, the pubic bone. Raise the chin. Feel like your ears are lifting away from the shoulders. The elbows bend down, so you're just getting the maximum expansion with your shoulders. Then come down with your lower abdomen, upper abdomen, lower chest, upper chest, chin to the floor. This really helps improve your back flexibility, better posture, upright posture, and you will definitely start to notice the difference of your posture before and after this type of backward bends. Especially activating the back muscles is the key action we are trying to do in these lifts. Deep breathing. Deep breathing. Okay.